This is a number-based tutorial. In number base, you can convert any number to any base you want. Like the one on board now is to convert. This number is in base 2. This number is in base 2. Now we want to convert it to base 10. So in number base, you can convert even number that is in base 2 to base 10, or number that is in base 10 to base 2. So let's quickly treat this. So the question say convert 110101 base 2 to base 10, and this is how to do it. So converting this number 110101 base 2, converting it to base 10, what do we do? The first thing you do is to number this number. Number them. How do you number them? You start numbering them from right to left, and while numbering, you start with a 0. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then after numbering it in this way, you now start converting the number to base 10. Now let me start converting it to base 10. Now while starting converting to base 10, I will start with the first number which is 1. I will now say 1 times the base, which is 2, raised to power the number I counted. The number after counting it, this first number is 5. I will now say raised to power 5, plus the second number, which is 1 again. 1 times the base 2, raised to power the number counted, which is 4 for the second number, plus the third number, which is 0 times the base, which is 2, raised to power 3, the number I counted, plus the fourth number, which is 1 times the base, which is 2, raised to power 2, plus this number 0 times the base 2 raised to power 1, plus the last one, which is 1 times 2 the base raised to power 0, the number I counted, the number that is on top of it after counting. Now what do we do now? We now say 1 times, this means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 5. 2 raised to power 5 means 2 raised to power 5 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 5. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 5. What is the value? The value is what? Use your calculator. After multiplying, the value is 32. The value is what? 32 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4. 1 times 2 raised to power 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 4. That is 2 times itself into 4. And after that, what do we get? We now get 16. That is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times another 2, 16, plus 0 raised to power 2 times 2 raised to power 3. This means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 3, which is 8, plus 1 times 2. This means 2 times 2 into 2, which is 4, plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1 is still only 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. No matter the number. 1 million raised to power 0, the answer is 1. A raised to power 0, the answer is 1. Even U raised to power 0, the answer is what? 1. So 2 raised to power 0, the answer is what? 1. Now 1 times 32 is 32, plus 1 times 16 is 16, plus 0 times 8 is 0. Anything times 0 is 0. Anything times 0 is what? 0. Plus 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 0 times 2 is 0. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. Now let us add them. After adding it, we now have 50 what? 53. After adding all these things, we now have what? 53 base 10. So we have finished converting this number to what? To base 10. Please try and follow. If you are not following, then subscribe on my YouTube channel, which the link is on top of this video. Try to subscribe. Okay, yeah, thank you so much.